Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add content to your channel. Click to edit the channel and then navigate to the video section. To add a new video, we need to click the plus button. The video has been added here. Click on it and you'll see what you need: a video ID, a video title description, and so on. I'll start with the video ID. The video ID should be a number that's unique on your channel, like 01 for the first video, 02 for the second video, etc., etc., or any other number that you might want to use. It's important to be unique for every video inside a channel. You need a video title that should represent your video and a video description that shouldn't be longer than 200 characters. A video thumbnail image must be 800 by 450 pixels in JPEG or PNG format. Both the video title and the video description are used in search queries on both platforms, on Roku and on Amazon. The next option is media type. Using TV Bus Fire, you can add 4 different types of videos. The categorization is according to the latest Roku requirements that you need to select if your video is short form video, a movie, a live feed, or a TV special. You can find below in this video the description and requirements for every type. It's very important to select the correct type for your video content. The next field is the copyright field. In this field, you should paste the link where Roku or Amazon can find the documentation and testing that you have the right to use the content. If the content is copyrighted or part of the content contains copyrighted images, music footage, or any other copyrighted content, you're in trouble. Amazon has a very smart AI that scans all the channels for copywriting content, and they'll block the channel or even delete the channel if you don't have the rights to use the content that you have on your channels. The next tab is the tag section. Tags are used on both Roku and Amazon Fire to create categories. Basically, you need to assign a keyword or tag it to a video that you put on the channel. For Roku, you'll use those keywords or tags to create the categories inside your channel, and on Amazon Fire, those tags are used to actually create the categories. If you intend to publish the channel on Amazon Fire, you may want to use, let's say, internet marketing spelling in one word, and that's how it will show up on Amazon Fire as its category. Make sure that you don't use any special characters or don't leave spaces either. Just hit enter and the tag is active. The next field is genre, basically the content type as comedy or a drama or educational and so on. The next field is content. This is where you input your video links and your video data. You should start with a TrickPlay file. Keep in mind that if BIF or TrickPlay files are mandatory for every video longer than 15 minutes in length. The video resource section. This is the place where you actually copy and paste in your video link. As you can see, we automatically add some dummy content so that you can have a better image or understanding on what needs to go where. Now, the URL for your video URL. Quality, where you need to select if your video is HD, Full HD, or UHD for 4K videos. Video type. Here you need to select what format your video is published in. We support 6 of the recommended formats: 3 for live streaming, HLS, Smooth and Dash, and 3 for videos, MP4, MOV, and M4V. Both Roku and Amazon recommend using MP4 videos. Click the validate icon to validate your video entry and get the video bitrate and duration. After the link is validated, you can use the results in filling the video bitrate and duration. If your video is longer than 15 minutes and your Roku account is approved for monetization, you can add the ad breaks. Basically, these ad breaks tell Roku when in the video or in our program that they can show ads from your ad feed. The format must be hours, minutes, and seconds. Click enter and you have your first ad break set up. By default, Roku will show an ad after users watch content for 15 minutes on your channel. At the beginning of the video and after that intervals, you set up here. And with this, our video metadata is set up. If we scroll down, we found the next field. The credits field, where you can give credits if you want to, or if you have to, you can credit actors, producers, and so on. The next field is parental rating. This is mandatory, especially if you want to submit your channel search feed for indexing and listing. We do our best here to have all sources for parental rating and all possible ratings available. By default, we will add the most common rating, G, for general audience, as a source and certification authority, MPAA, Motion Picture Association of America. If your content needs a different rating, just change the data and the drop-down menu, using the drop-down menu. When you have all the information filled in, just click Save and you have your first video added to the channel. When you want to add the next video, just click the plus sign again and start the process from the beginning as many times as you need. I hope that was easy to understand and see you in the next video.